All right, so if you've seen my other videos, just hand kneading a little dough here. But what I wanted to show you was an easy way to make a dough ball, flatten down. You know, in my other video I showed you how to turn it inside out, but if you just take this, you take your hands at a wedge, and we're just cutting into it, spinning a few times, and you're pulling it around. We're essentially turning it inside out. Boom, perfect dough ball. Here's another one. Just cutting right into it. Boom, perfect dough ball. Same thing here with a couple more. This has already been kneaded in the mixer. We're just hand mixing a little more, or hand kneading a little more. Super easy way to do a bunch of dough balls, make them all look nice.